You're good. All right. So it's pretty easy, but we just need to break it down into the pieces. The original price of a telescope was $345. You're getting a discount of 55% off. Okay? All right, so what we're gonna do, there's about 5 different ways to solve this. I'm gonna show you my favorite way. I just put the price, and I times it by 1, take away whatever my discount is.
Yeah, it's hard. Oh, you do.
Yeah,
Instead of 1 minus, oh yeah.
so that's just gonna be 155.
Yeah, so you multiply 345 times 45.
Yeah, exactly, because this is gonna be, I had a lot of kids who can't do that in their head, so this is the math that you just magically did in your head. Same thing. Congratulations, you're done with number 1. And there's only like 3, so. Let's say a truck costs, getting it used, so it's going to be 10 grand. And you're going to get a discount of 20%. Tell me which one is set up correctly.
Do I have to write down all the answer choices or just the one that was right?
Don't care.
Oh, it's just those two?
Yeah, what's our choice?
0.8.
Yeah. This is what you'd pay.
See, you could do it by the 0.2 and just subtract that from the original too, though, right?
You could. Either way works. Congratulations. You're done with your discount percent. It's time to talk about some simple interest. Well, the discount percent, honestly, we did that last semester. So you should remember, and that's like a 7th or, I can't remember if it's a 6th or 7th grade thing.
Yeah, I'm going to learn that like a long time.
It's been a while.
Even with interest, I learned that a couple years ago.
Okay, so the simple interest formula, really easy. So you just need to know what everything stands for. Do you know what any of those stand for?
Let me check. Is that an L or an I?
That's a 1.
It's a 1. Okay. I know that T's for time. The
Yep.
R is for like how many years or something like that, maybe?
T is time in years.
I mean, I guess A is like total.
Yeah, it's your amount.
Yeah. And then P is maybe like price, or like principal amount.
Principal, yep.
Okay. And then R has to be like, that's the time, all things like. Oh, that's like the percent, maybe.
Yes, your interest rate. So principal is the same thing as your startup cash or your initial investment.
So like you put like 200 in the savings account, that's the principal.
Mm-hmm. And we'll look at that kind of thing. That's actually a more complicated compound interest situation because you're putting money in regularly instead of just putting it in once and collecting. And there's some really cool calculators that let us do all sorts of stuff. Okay, so we're going to give you an example where you invest $29,000 at 14.5% for 2 years. You can't even see what I'm writing. It's a little better. So $29,000, 14.5 for 2 years. We just want to be able to pull out this. So where does the 29,000 go? Amount. It is. So I'm going to put it by this. Where does the 14.5 go?
That'd be the R, the interest rate.
Yeah, just change it to a decimal so it's 0.145.
Okay.
And then 2 years is,
time.
yep. And what I'm looking for, because I'm going to give you all the answers, what I care about,
Is there setting it up?
I want to know that you can set it up correctly. That's a decimal point. That's a multiplication.
If you were to go to like, I don't know, like a bank or something,
Yeah.
would they solve this for you, or would they just simply tell you like the interest rate?
They'll tell you the interest rate, but they don't tell you how often it's compounded usually, and they all have different formulas on how they do it. And I'll ask them for formulas and stuff, and most of the time they won't give it to me, but they will give me. So, for example, I just bought my first house, you know. So they will give you something that's called an amortization table, which shows you every single payment that you're going to make and how much goes to principal, how much goes to interest and things like that. But I've never had them tell me how much, like I think I make 6.5% on the first $500 in my savings account. And after that, it's something really crappy, like 1.2 or 1.4 or something. Yeah. Okay, you're done with this one. Congratulations.
Do I need to put my name on it?
Mm-hmm.